Hi class, let's take a look at example 5. And in example 5, it's actually saying that the specific z-score has an area of 0.90 to the right. So in this case, we're basically looking at the following. If it has a 0.90 to the right, then, well, you're going to have a specific z-score. And they're referring to this specific area. This is going to be 0.90, and this is going to be equal to your alpha. Now, the way that the actual command works is it's only area to the left. And remember that total area, because you have a distribution, it's going to be 1. So total area is equal to 1. So therefore, the area to the left, in this case, this particular one that we're going to be using in the calculator, it's going to be 0.10. So it's going to be the same answer as the previous one. You're going to get that this is negative 1.28. So let me just run it on the calculator. Again, so second inv, and then, well, technically the calculator only requires area to the left to be run, and your answer is going to be the same. So let C be a z-score. So let C equal to a z-score. Then the probability of Z, well, greater than or equal to negative 1.28. It's the same as saying the probability of C is less than or equal to negative 1.28, which is approximately 0.10. It's the same problem as example 4. Remember that the total area of any distribution is equal to 1. So a z-score that has a 0.10 area to the left, it's going to have 0.90 area to the right. So it's the same problem, just expressed in a different form.